So, fixing a glove box on this bad boy. Picked up a piano hinge hardware store. I did flip it upside down because it's going to look aesthetically better to me. I'll show you in the truck. Alright, glove box is in. I don't think I ever finished showing my full repair on this sucker. But there you can see the hinge. What I did is I put a piano hinge in. I put it on the back side of this. Most people put it on the outside, and I almost did too. I'm like, well, you can see that. It looks kind of hideous. So if you just put it on the back side, here's the metal, the original plastic. This had another piece of plastic, but it was making it thicker, so I just took it off. It's black metal anyway. And you could paint all that black. But that looks like it lines up pretty good. That's the biggest thing, getting it to line up. So that's all good to go in that department.